of these updates over the standard bobber was to elicit a more aggressive and muscular stance while simultaneously adding higher spec performance upgrades. The 47mm Showa fork is non-adjustable and offers the same 3.5 inches of travel as the standard bobber's front end. However, the damping characteristics are noticeably improved, providing a more balanced and, dare I say, sportier ride. Discreetly hidden under the floating solo seat is a non-adjustable monoshock with linkage that offers 3 inches of travel. While some adjustability settings would be nice, I found that the Black's ride was surprisingly comfortable for all of my 180 pounds. In addition to countless parts now being painted, plated, chromed or anodized black, the most obvious difference with the Bobber Black is the new muscular front end. The fatter tires and beefier fork gives the rider a noticeably more secure-feeling front end in the corners. The 16-inch spoked front wheel on the Black is down from the standard Bobber's 19-inch front. The 2018 Triumph Bonneville Bobber Black is shod with a 130mm front tire that, from the side, makes the two wheels on the Black look almost the same. The high-profile Laban Cobra tires give the Black a very distinctive appearance. This is a truly authentic-looking motorcycle. Despite that fat front tire, the Bobber Black is agile and turns in quickly and precisely. Overall, the handling is easy and neutral. Line corrections mid-corner can be made quickly and without upsetting the bike. When coming back on the power, the Black shows no desire to understeer. This machine is built to ride aggressively if you feel the need. The 2108 Triumph Bonneville Bobber Black's fork is a 47mm Showa design, rather than the standard Bobber's 41mm cab unit. The suspension is firm and sporting, although it is still non-adjustable. The Showa fork's high quality makes for a firm yet compliant and comfortable ride, while the linkage-assisted tib shock remains unchanged. Cruising in a straight line, the bike feels comfortable and capable of gobbling up big mileage. The new twin-rotor front brake setup is a big improvement over the standard Bobber's somewhat lackluster brakes. The Black's twin-rotor setup with Brembo calipers is a big upgrade from the single-disc and Nissan caliper on the standard Bobber. The axial-mounted two-piston calipers are powerful and have plenty of feel. Initial bite is mellow, quickly becoming much stronger if you need it to. The Black can be brought down from speed in a hurry. The Black retains the standard Bobber's same liquid-cooled, vertical twin, 270-degree crank Bonneville 1200 HT engine. The power plant produces 76 horsepower at 6,100 revolutions per minute, and 78 feet per pound of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. The motor feels powerful. The Black comes with a new twin-skin exhaust with slash-cuts on-off pea-shooter mufflers. The throaty exhaust note is perfect for the image of the bike. Impressively, for an exhaust that sounds so good, it's Euro 4 compliant as well. The Black also comes with full LED lighting. There's a cool, daytime running light integrated into the round headlight that is reminiscent of the Triumph T logo.